Hi, this is Kim from affordablycrafty, and I just dyed some wool yarn with 2 different types of tea, and I have tea left over from this dye bath. This is courtship tea, which is a high-end loose leaf tea. You'll see there's some remnants on the bottom there. This is plain old Lipton tea. I'll link that video over there if you want to see the dyeing process. So what you need for this is you need obviously tea. I used a turkey baster to get it out, and then I had gotten some of these pump spray bottles from the Dollar Tree last time I was there, and they look like this, and I made sure that I labeled this because when they're in the bottle they look pretty similar. And what I'm going to try doing is I'm going to try tea dyeing some paper. So I just went and got some scrap paper, and using these clips from the Dollar Tree and then these clothespins from the Dollar Tree, I just clipped it down to the table, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with, each one's going to be a different one. So I'm going to have the right one be the courtship one. So I'm just going to shake this up and start spraying. And I can see a little bit of color going on there. Now I'm not going to overly saturate this. This might take a couple of rounds to work. I don't know, I've never tea dyed paper before, so this should be interesting. Alright, that's pretty saturated. I'm going to stop. Now I'm going to do the Lipton. Let's see if I can get the cover off. Oh, if you do use a loose leaf tea, make sure that you angle the pan so you don't get loose tea pieces in here, because that'll pretty much just clog up your spray bottle, which is not good. Now it looks like this one is actually putting more color on the paper on the first pass. And this doesn't have to be perfect. But here you can see the Lipton one and the courtship, and I'll come back in a little bit when this is dry to see how it's doing. See you soon. So I let an hour pass for these to dry off, and as you can clearly see, this courtship one is barely colored, but this Lipton one is doing pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a second coat on both of them and then let that dry. I'm just going to shake up the bottle and spray like I did before. I'm just using some scrap paper for this to try it out. Now I'm going to spray the Lipton again. Shake it up first. Today's a nice breezy day, so this is drying actually pretty fast. I was asking myself, what can I do with this? I could dye more yarn, but I feel like I can definitely just remake this bath again. Alright, I'm going to let that dry for an hour and see where we're at. Alright, see you in a little bit, guys. This is what the 2 papers look like from the tea dyeing after 2 hours. This is my second application. And I'm going to be honest with you, this is a whole lot of nothing. I'm not going to spray this again. However, this looks awesome. I'm going to spray this again. So I'm going to spray this again and see how this looks after 3 applications. See which one I like better. I'm going to only spray half of it, well, 3/4 of it, so I can tell the difference between the second and third spray. This is the Lipton. So for tea dyeing paper, the cheaper so far is better. Alright, I'm going to let this dry. See you again in a little bit.